Melinda, Abhilasha, hi.
Hi.
Okay, let's not bury the lead here. You have some exciting news to share. So tell us about it, Melinda.
I do. Our foundation is a legacy of Patrick J. McGovern and about the power of technology to make the world better. He also loved MIT, so we're so proud to support MIT Solve. And we offered the AI Innovation Prize to 4 Solver teams this year at Solve Challenge Finals back in September 2019. Seems a long time ago now. They were Algramo, a high-tech reusable packaging system that counters plastic waste; Kinedu, an app for parents and caregivers that promotes early childhood development; Retos, a platform connecting university students to solve challenges in urban communities; and Blue Sky Analytics, a platform that provides key air quality data and source emissions parameters. These 4 teams are taking on some of the most important issues of our time, and we loved learning from them about new ways to apply AI to solve problems and make better. They shared an initial $200,000 prize, but we also provide follow-in funding for one of these teams. And we're delighted to announce today that Blue Sky Analytics will receive $300,000 in additional funding. Also happy to say that the prize will continue in 2020, so we'll look forward to a cohort of solver teams.
Congratulations, Abhilasha. And thank you for sharing that, Melinda. And for our participants, you can meet Algramo, Kinedu, and Retos in the expo booth. Now we have Abhilasha with us to tell us more about Blue Sky Analytics. So tell us, Abhilasha, what is your big vision?
Um, our big vision is to build a large global environmental data stack. So we call it like Bloomberg for environmental data. And we want to provide key information about planet, air, water, and land to global stakeholders, and also even like democratize it to direct consumers and people so that we can all participate actively in making informed decisions and lead in climate action.
Fantastic. Melinda, why Blue Sky Analytics? I have a hunch, but yeah, tell us what stood out as funder and as a supporter about their solution.
First of all, it was Abhilasha and her leadership, her imagination, and her bold risk-taking spirit. We love investing in women leaders in the technology space, but we also were compelled by the vision of using to address one of our most critical climate issues, air quality. And now, because of the pandemic, we're aware that poor air quality, living in one of those neighborhoods, makes you even more susceptible to the virus. So this seems a great time to make global citizens more aware of the skies around us. Then Blue Sky aims to share access to its platform with so many users, specifically governments, so that policymakers can use this data to shape a changed future. And we're finally particularly excited that Blue Sky is going to provide access to its platform for students and nonprofit, either for free or at reduced cost. So making this data readily available to all.
Abhilasha, you're clearly rising up to this time, and it must be nice to hear your work so nicely validated. What has the AI Innovation Prize enabled Blue Sky to accomplish since you were selected as a solver in September?
AI Innovation Prize was, the first seed that an entrepreneur needs to just like get out there and like start to accomplish their dream and build their dream team. I lay on a lot of emphasis on team and human capital because for a technology company, for an AI firm, for an AI startup, that's it. It's people and their brains, and really good and smart, intelligent, and passionate developer scientists. So if you're anybody watching this, you've got a computer, you kind of person that we really want to be part of our journey. You can learn coding and data science through a whole series of open source platforms, which are also, again, for free. Learning is typically really cheap, and we want you to join us, and the AI Innovation Prize is enabling us to hire you so that we can build an amazing team and analyze lots of satellite data and then give pertaining information to people all over the world.
And so now with this follow-on funding, what does it mean for your organization, especially in a time like this?
So with the economic crisis that the world is facing, we have a lot of people getting laid off from large companies like Airbnb and Bird. Like really major companies have bounded down 25% to 30% of their capacity, which that they're amazing people who have so much like passion and fire and intelligence who need to start working on climate action. And that's what we are all about. Like if you were doing a job 3 months ago, and if that job was not focused on being on front lines of this crisis, this crisis decade that's going to unfold itself in the next 5, 7, 10 years, then this is your time, and here we are with the support of Patrick J. McGovern Foundation and AI Innovation Prize to like have you part of our team in our journey.
I'm definitely hearing a theme throughout the day of not letting this crisis go to waste. So thank you. This was inspiring. And Melinda, thank you and the Patrick J. McGovern Foundation for supporting our entrepreneurs. And we're very excited the AI Innovation Prize is going to happen again this year. So as Abhilasha said, if you're an entrepreneur out there with a good solution, please take part because we need everyone at the problem-solving table. Thank you, everyone. And back to you, Matthew.